let's unbox this foldable phone stand together and see how it works. So this is really thin inside this box. Okay. So here it is, nice and flat. This would be great for traveling or anything like that. And then we just pull it apart here. Comes with instructions, but I don't think we really need those. Seems pretty straightforward. So this is great if you wanted to watch a movie, if you're at the office and you like to have your phone beside you, anything like that. So this moves up and down. This piece flips in and out. And then let's put my phone here to show you. So as you can see, your phone just fits right in there. You could also put your phone this way. Sorry, my screen's a little dirty. You could put your phone this way on here. You could even put a tablet on here. Anything like that would be great. This is perfect. All sorts of ways that you can use this, nice and flexible here.